Good morning everyone. Lesson 2 we are continuing in computer, and today we will discuss the topics live taskbar thumbnail using Windows flip option, searching files and folders, and use of wildcards when we are searching files and folder. So our first topic is live taskbar thumbnail. What is the meaning of that? In this option, taskbar shows thumbnail views of all open windows of particular icon और पर्टिकुलर सॉफ्टवेयर. हमने किसी एक टाइप के सॉफ्टवेयर की अगर फाइल्स को देखना है तो वी विल क्लिक ऑन इट. और सपोज इफ यू हैव क्लिक ऑन अ माइक्रोसॉफ्ट, देयर आर मेनी फाइल्स ऑफ माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड यू हैव ओपन. If you bring your mouse pointer over the Microsoft Word icon on taskbar, it will shows you horizontal preview of all the file in a thumbnail view. Okay, and even if you click on any preview you can open that window, or also if you want you can close that file just clicking on the close button. See, live taskbar thumbnail shows in this manner. In this picture you can see when we have placed a mouse pointer over a Microsoft Word icons, all the word files are showing in a thumbnail view. Up now suppose if I want I can click on any file to open it, or even I can close also. See, if the file is opened you will find out that there will be close button will come on the thumbnail right side. So click on that button, you can close the window. What is the advantage of thumbnail preview of windows? We don't have to click one by one all the open windows to see कि contents क्या हैं. हम उसको thumbnail preview देख के भी पता चला सकते हैं कि कौन सी फाइल में क्या क्या content हमने क्या क्या content है. Okay, next feature है using Windows Flip. Windows Flip is also used to show live thumbnail of all the windows that are open on your computer. Suppose आपने some window word file खोल रखी है, you have opened some PowerPoint files also, you have minimized it, even you have opened the Excel file or Paintbrush file. All these windows are opened and minimized on your computer. If you want to see all those windows preview, simply press Alt plus Tab key. When we press Alt plus Tab continuously, we will see this type of live thumbnail preview comes of every window. Okay. Now, if you want to use to open any particular window, we have to just press Alt key continuously and press Tab key one by one. As you press the Tab key, cursor goes to different windows, and when you leave the key, the selected window will be open on your computer. The same type of feature is Windows Flip 3D view. If you want to see the three-dimensional view of open windows, you will use it. It will shows three-dimensional views of open windows. Even if you press continuously, it shows moving image of all the open windows. You press, and what you have to press for this, you have to press Windows plus Tab key to see this three-dimensional preview, and continuously press Windows key and press one by one Tab key. So as you press one by one Tab keys, cursor will go to the various windows, and whatever the window comes first in moving image, if you leave both the keys, that window will be open on your computer. So this way we can manage with multiple open windows on our computer by the use of live thumbnail preview of taskbar windows, 3D previews of taskbar windows. Now we are coming to the next topic, that is searching for files and folders. Suppose you want to search any particular file or folder on computer, and you know ki on your computer there are lots of files and folders are stored. So how can we quickly search our specific file and folder? This we have to learn. So children, there are two ways. First is searching from start menu, and second is use of Windows Explorer or computer window. One by one we will discuss. Now first see, with Windows 7 we have one more option, that we have a search box. When we click on a start button, start menu list comes, or at the bottom there is a search box. Here you type the name of file or folder. If that file or folder will be available on your computer, it will shows you. देखिए इस example में I have typed class list and computer has shown me 2-3 files in that class list word is coming. देखिए फाइल 3 दिखा रहा है वो, जिसमें C class word मैच हो रहा है, ठीक है. So it will open the file for us and we can quickly use the file. Searching from Windows Explorer. As we all are familiar, we have discussed, you right click on the start button, there is a open Windows Explorer option comes. When we click on it, Windows Explorer will open on our computer. Windows Explorer is a software used to manage files and folders. In this also we have a search box. देखिए in the top right side there is a search box. You type the file name. जो भी file name इससे match होगा, it will shows you all the files. Suppose I have typed presentation 2. So all the files in yellow colors are showing me that these are the files on my computer, presentation 2. And if I got the specific file, I can double click it and open that file. Now the last topic we have to discuss in this chapter is use of wildcards. What is a wildcards and how they are useful in searching. Children, wildcards are used when we don't know exact name of file or folder we are searching. Suppose हमने बहुत महीने पहले कोई फाइल और फोल्डर बनाया, अब हम उस फाइल का एग्जैक्ट नेम भूल गए. वी ओनली नो सम पार्ट ऑफ द फाइल या स्टार्टिंग वर्ड पता है, तो वी विल यूज द wildcards that help us to quickly search or locate the file. In computer there are two types of wildcard works. एक है asterisk और second है question mark. Now what is the difference? Asterisk shows that there are one or more characters, or question mark shows there is a one character. How we will use? See the example. Suppose here written r asterisk dot doc. Suppose हमें पता है कि हमें ऐसी एक फाइल ढूंढनी है जिसका नाम r से स्टार्ट होता है और एक वर्ड फाइल है, तो हमने इसको क्या दे दिया कि r के बाद कुछ भी हो और उसका एक्सटेंशन .doc, इट मीन्स इट इज़ अ वर्ड फाइल. तो कंप्यूटर विल क्विकली सर्च ऑल द फाइल्स ऑफ वर्ड that starts with R. Now in second example, I have used question mark and asterisk. R question mark dot asterisk. इसका मीनिंग ये है कि R के बाद कितने कैरेक्टर्स हैं? One question mark represent one character. So two question mark represent two characters. It means we are searching a file that has a 3 letters in the name and starts with R. और dot asterisk का मतलब है इट कैन बी ऑफ एनी सॉफ्टवेयर एनी फॉर्मेट. हमें कोई भी सॉफ्टवेयर हो सकती है, एक्सेल हो सकती है, पेन ब्रश हो सकती है, या फिर सॉन्ग फाइल हो सकती है, वीडियो फाइल हो सकती है. एनी फाइल of any format we are searching, but it has a 3 letters starts with R. Like it can be a RAT rat, RIM rem, ROT, RAP, R12. Numbers can also count. So wildcard help us to search the file or folder that's name we don't know exactly, जिसका हमें exactly नाम पता नहीं होता. ऐसी फाइल और फोल्डर को ढूंढने के लिए हम wildcards का यूज़ करते हैं. See, in this example I have written comp asterisk dot x asterisk. इसका मतलब ये है कि मुझे ऐसी फाइल ढूंढनी है जिसके स्टार्टिंग 3 लेटर्स क्या है, COM, बट इसका नेम कंप्लीट नेम कुछ भी हो सकता है और वो किसी भी फॉर्मेट की फ़ाइल हो सकती है. सो सी computer has shown me computer science, even command prompt, even it is given computer management. So it can search the file that starts with com word. So this is the use of wildcard that help us to quickly search the file. Our chapter is over, and this is the answer key of last assignment. And please do these exercises in book and notebook. Thank you.